Morning. Airfall warning, guys. Snow.
Flooding of rivers,
Yeah, baby.
streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excessive runoff.
Yeah, baby.
Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details at 1:07 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. This includes the following streams and drainages: Meadow Brook, Ramapo River, Ramsey Brook, Hackensack River, Sawmill Creek, Passaic River, South Branch Rahway River, Hawkins Brook, Saddle River, Marble River, and Saddle Brook. Some locations that will experience flooding include Newark, Jersey City, Patterson, Elizabeth, Passaic, Bayonne, Wayne, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Hackensack, Linden, Orange, Bergenfield, Paramus, West Milford, Ridgewood, Summit, Lyndhurst, Milburn, and Rutherford.
It's crazy.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths
It's raining a lot.
keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away.
Yes, sir.
Offshore waters forecast from Hudson Canyon to Baltimore. Out to 1,000.
Wow. It's crazy.